What is up, guys? Today in this episode we are I don't know if we're gonna play Roblox or not, but I want to guys show you something. Right, I have those 10 subscribers. I got $1. Oh my gosh, LeafX Gamer is playing online. LeafX Gamer he's playing online. Oh my gosh, I have to join him. So we're gonna have to play with my cousin.
Please, man,
I love him. He's my favorite cousin.
Do you want to play, please?
But I have another.
Please.
But I have another cousin that I love too. I want to play with him. If one of you want to join right now to my game, join it. I'm gonna be playing, guys, with LeafX Gamer. He's my cousin.
Shit, that boy do.
Stop. 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 I'm serious.
SpongeBob Vulgar Tisbury. I feel like Mama.
Please go.
You do it this.
I was trying to do it to the bear.
It's on yours.
But don't say that. Sorry, guys. That was someone in YouTube. My gosh, she always sends me something at YouTube. I have another, not on YouTube, but I just looked at it. You guys can't look at it, but I was looking at it and it said it.
He wants to play, hon.
Okay, but just stop talking.
Then let him play.
Oh my gosh, come on. As I'm always saying, guys, subscribe. Give me some love. Smack that button for my whole house love. Smack that button for some love. Yes, give me that 2 million subscribers.
He loves you. That's
He said, like, congratulations, you got 2 million subscribers. You get the golden play and the diamond play. The please expect new enemies model updates. You know what? I don't really actually like to play that game.
Why?
That game is
Do you
boring.
want to play Please Man?
I don't like that.
You want to play Please Man?
No, I don't want to play that. I don't want to play it. I don't want to play it.
Take it.
I don't play it. I don't want to play it. Wait, I got an idea. Delete Roblox. Delete that. That's my YouTube channel. Delete Chrome. Delete that. Delete that. Delete. Okay, now go from here. Get out.
Yeah.
Wait, you have 2 of them? Minecraft My Building? Oh, whatever. I'm gonna download another game.
What is it?
It's gonna call
What is it?
Raft Survive.
Can we take
I
turns?
sold it from FTV.
Can we take turns?
No, not that.
Why?
These are coming soon, not now.
Sharks could kill you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Dry Stick Man.
Yeah, I want to try. Please,
Xanis.
I want to draw. I want to Dennis. I want him.
No.
I said I want Dennis. The coloring.
I
want Dennis. The coloring.
This app is very helpful. It can give you a lot of gems and coins.
Come on, your teddy bear's gonna hit you. The teddy bear. Yes, shut up. You're screaming.
No, I wish I can download Dragon City, but my mom would delete everything. You know what? Let's just go to YouTube and show them my channel. It's right here. These are my cousins. This is not my cousin. That's not my cousin. Those two were.
Where's it? Where's it?
This is my videos if you want to subscribe to them.
I want it. Me.
Don't forget about that one. That one's just, that's my cousins. They were doing it with me. That's me. She's subscribed to mine. Maybe that's my cousin.
Me. How about me? Me. It's me.
Crafty girl.
No, I'm a cousin.
Oh, she did. She did say I have
I
to
just
go
call
to
me as cousin. I'm a cousin.
Okay, just stop talking. This is me right there. Don't forget about the picture. Just look over there. See that?
Yeah.
Right there.
Don't
That's
throw my
how it is.
teddy bear.
If you guys watch CMC4 or whatever,
I'm gonna watch it.
if you watch this, it's very
I'm gonna
nice.
watch it.
No.
Why?
If you watch GTA 5 online, you always win. You'll
I'm gonna watch
subscribe. You can watch that. They have guns. You can.
I want to watch it. Please, someone. Please.
No, just wait.
Are we gonna watch it?
When we end the video.
Okay. Bye, guys.
That's.
I just hit my face.
And guys, I'm gonna have Xbox One, and I'm gonna play PvZ Garden Warfare 2 in the Xbox One. My name is gonna be what's it called? Slow Owl 73. I mean 12. Slow Owl 1273. When I get my Xbox in July 20th or July 21th or
Now
July.
let's watch it.
Or July 22. And then I'm gonna do a video, and it's gonna still be Slow Owl 73. That's gonna be the same thing. And then that looks like a normal person, but it's not. And then you can friend me if you want to in the Xbox. So wait, what? Surprise of the dead bird. Oh, I guess I want to see that. Surprise of the dead bird. Wait, I don't want it loud.
I want it loud. Could say, Virtual. What did it sound?
What just happened? Let me just start over. And subscribe to this channel.
It's TTTD.
No.
You guys want to see something?
Yeah.
Okay.
TD.
Ew!
That's a dead bird in our trees. Disgusting.
That's so gross.
Is that a
Found
dead
it?
bird?
We were going to check
Yeah.
on. How long has this been in there for?
Oh,
think
that's
it
the one that was
is.
sitting in the tree the other day and it couldn't get out.
Oh, his leg was stuck.
That's the baby bird.
This is not a baby bird, is it?
Yes, that is. That's the baby bird.
This is a baby bird?
Yeah.
Because its leg was stuck.
Yeah, that's the baby bird.
I'm not dropping it, Chase, you sickie.
Remember, Mike, it was sitting there and it wouldn't move?
Aw, poor dude was stuck. Okay.
What bad parents it has. Didn't even help the thing out.
I know, I had to help it, and I helped it a little bit too late. Something!
You guys want to see a dead bird?
You want to eat it for dinner, or? Okay.
You're sick.
I didn't know. I was just wondering. Hello, little kid. What's your name? How old are you? 2. You're 2, right? And you see this cupcake? Yeah. Not yet. I'm gonna give you.
Guys, we're gonna end the video here.
Now let's watch.
So bye.
Now let's watch Power.
We're gonna go watch, yes.